Well, Joey, in this video we're going to take a look at the replace part with copy command. We'll use it on a part and a subassembly. We have been modelling this castle. You can see from the Pathfinder that the two towers of the castle have been made using two instances of the same tower subassembly with the file name 2601 CESE 32-C. If we modify this subassembly, both towers will be modified. In this case, we want to modify the front tower so we can build a walkway over the front gate, but we want to leave the other tower unchanged. To do this, we can use the replace part with copy command. You might be thinking this isn't a part, it's a subassembly, and you're right. This command works with both parts and subassemblies. We can right click on the subassembly in the Pathfinder, go to More and select Replace Part with Copy. A small window opens. We can select any other instances of this subassembly at the same level of the assembly that we want to replace with a copy. Or we can click on the Occurrence Selection button to select all instances of this subassembly at the same level to replace them with a copy. If we replaced all occurrences of the subassembly, we would have the same problem, where any edits to the front tower would also edit the back tower. So we can press the Deselect button to remove the back tower from the select set and choose the front tower subassembly. A window opens for us to enter the details of the replacement subassembly. We give it a new file name and click Save. It doesn't really look like anything has changed in our assembly. Both towers look identical. That's because they are. If we take a look at the Pathfinder again, if I click on the subassembly ending P032-C.asm, you can see the back tower gets highlighted. Underneath it on the Pathfinder, we no longer have another occurrence of P032-C.asm. Instead, we have a new subassembly ending P034. The front tower has been replaced by an identical copy of the back tower, and all assembly relationships have been inherited from the subassembly it replaced. The only evidence anything has happened is by looking at the new file name beside the front tower in the Pathfinder. Now, any edit to the front tower won't change the back tower, so I can delete parts from the front tower and it won't modify the back tower. But both towers use the same parts, so if we wanted to make this part in our front tower 2 pegs narrower, it would also change the same part in the back tower. To change this part only in the front tower, we will need to use the replace part with copy command again. Again, we right click on the part, go to More, select Replace Part with Copy, click on Accept, and give a new file name for the replacement part. In our next video, we'll look at how we can edit subassemblies from within an assembly and edit parts within an assembly using Edit in Place. This can really help you visualize how your final design comes together. That's it, Joey. Talk to you in the next one.